Hi, my name is Stephanie, and this is how I make my drawings. First, I search online for a good reference. Best is a high-definition photograph or an HD wallpaper. Once you've found your picture of choice, save it on your computer. You can easily zoom in. Now to the things you need. First, you need a drawing pad. I use one with a very rough surface. Then some blanket sheets of paper, a pencil sharpener, an eraser, and a lot of colored pencils. But of course you don't need all the pencils. Let's take a closer look at the reference picture of Freddie Highmore. You can see that he has brown hair with black in it, a light shimmer. We use gold and white for this. Then of course the skin color. For the darker areas I use gray and brown. I also use darker skin color, a little red on his lips, green and blue for the eyes, and gray and white for the shirt. Here are all colors I used. They are from Faber-Castell, but you can use any brand you want. A normal skin color, darker skin color, white, red, gray, brown, black, brown, green, another green, gold, blue, another blue. For the outlines I used a normal pencil. First I sketch the approximately outlines of the face. Where the eyes, nose and mouth should be. Then I put in more details and erase the helper lines. Then we can start coloring. First I zoom in on the eyes. First I use black. I draw the outline of the eye, then the iris. Then I use a darker green, brown and black for the shadow. At the end I go over it with a white. That makes it smoother and blends in all the colors. For the upper eyelid, I again use black at first, then gray for the shadow. Here I also use the pink, then I go over it with skin color. On the right is a lighter shadow, so instead of black I use gray. But because there is also a bit darker shadow, I also use a bit of black. Again I go over it with the skin color. Under the eye I use gray, pink, and go over it with the skin color. After that I use brown. Then I smooth everything with white. At the front of the eye there's also a light shadow, so I use brown. But I also see a little bit of green. I also draw this, even if it sounds weird, using green on a face. But sometimes this makes a huge difference in making a portrait more realistic. Thank you so much for watching the first part of this drawing tutorial. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Bye!